Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Jaybird Run wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset on them. You might need to do this if they're not connecting to Bluetooth, or if they keep disconnecting, or if you're getting sound out of only the left or the right ear. A hard reset will fix a lot of these problems. It will also fix it if you have them, they keep connecting to the wrong device and you just want them to forget all the devices so you can start fresh. This will work as well. It's real easy to do. All you need to do is make sure that your earbuds are turned off. So if they're not turned off, you're just going to come in and press and hold the back button on each of the earbuds until this goes red and then turns off. That will mean that the earbuds are now turned off. And once that happens, you're just going to come in and you're going to press and hold the right earbud for 6 seconds until this flashes green. Once this flashes green, you can let go, and then you're going to press 2 times, pressing on the earbud, and this will go from orange to red and then turn off. And that means that your earbud has been reset. And just one more thing, if you're interested in getting a credit card, Chase is giving away $200 just for signing up for a credit card for free. I'll put a link in the description if you're interested. But anyways, once the reset is finished, you can repair these buds with any device you like.